did it.
Okay, can you tell me about it? What are you gonna do? Are you a bear?
No.
No, you're not a bear? I thought you were gonna go hunting for fish. Titus.
No, I'm going hunting for fish.
Okay, so tell me.
Hunting. Ah!
What did you do? Did it not taste good?
No.
Ew.
And the bear didn't like it, and then it handed it to me, and I put it in the mouth, my mouth, and then shook it off, and then it was yucky.
Oh my.
There you go, bear. I don't like it. Yeah, bear. Okay.
Are you gonna tell me more about the story? What
Can I
else?
see?
What else did you do? Tell me.
I hunted Daddy. No, didn't hunt Daddy. Daddy watched me hunt, and you was not born, and Ian was not. Marianne was not born. Rowan was not born.
Rowan and Eden weren't born yet?
No, I was born, and this bear was born too.
Oh, okay. So what did you and Daddy do?
We hunted fish.
Oh, yeah?
No, Daddy watched me hunt fish and hunted one of these, like me.
Oh, yeah?
Go in my backpack. I put it in my arms. Zip it up. And then Daddy had rain one, and then he'll put it in the backpack and zip this and zipped it up.
Did
I
you...
want
What?
I have both of them.
Oh, okay. Did you hunt the fish with your bow and arrow?
No.
No? That'd be pretty cool, though, huh?
I got this, and I stood it, and I did this and this
Oh, your fishing pole?
and this. And then I handed to him. But why are you coming away? Can you see?
You want to see your silly self? Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
What's your name, real quick?
Hunting fish. Ah!
No, what's your name?
I got hunt fish.
That all happened after we were gone on our honeymoon.